Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. I hope you're feeling amazing today. So we're going to be making some salmon and mashed potato sandwich. Yes, and here are my ingredients that I will be using. So look at that beautiful salmon, those two beautiful pieces of salmon, and there's everything else. Some hot chili seasoning, roasted garlic and pepper, just all the things. So here I have my 2 slices of salmon and I'm pouring some olive oil over it. Now the olive oil is going to help to keep it moist when it's in the oven. So pour the olive oil on there, rub it up, and then we're gonna flip the salmon over and do the same to this side, right? To the skin side. If you want to take the skin off your salmon, take it off. I like the skin on my salmon, right? So yeah, do what suits you, boo. So now I'm going in with some all-purpose seasoning. Yes, so go ahead and pour that on there and rub it in, rub it up. And now I'm going in with some black pepper. Yes, get that all on there. And next we're going in with the is that the roasted? Oh, that's the roasted garlic pepper seasoning, and now the hot chili seasoning. So don't worry about it. If you don't have these, then just use your regular all-purpose seasoning or whatever you normally use. Some Cajun seasoning, anything. It is okay. Season your salmon with whatever you have. So rub that on there, and then we're gonna flip it over and do the other side as well. So make sure you preheat your oven to 176 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, I think that's what it is. So the same thing that we did to the other side, that's what we're going to do to this side. So the all-purpose seasoning, then the black pepper, right? And then we're going to go in with the pat, rub, right? And then we're going in with the hot chili seasoning, twirl around, and yes, get it all good. It's all good. By the way, you can use onion powder, garlic powder, and your regular all-purpose seasoning, right? Just improvising is good. So that's the roasted garlic pepper right there, and then go ahead and get that all up and nice on the salmon. You want to do it on the sides too as well, just rub the sides, right? So here it is, all done and ready, and now let's build. So here is my creamy garlic mashed potato, and I'll link that video for how I make this down below. So let's do some construction. Yeah. So spray some oil in your pan. Now your frying pan or whatever, it should be able to go in the oven, right? Do not put anything with plastic on it in the oven, right? So yeah, or if you want to use a baking tray, then go ahead and use a baking tray. But yeah, so I sprayed some oil in the pan first, then I put some butter, rub some butter on the bottom, right? And now I'm going in, I place my salmon down, skin side down, and then now I'm going in with the creamy garlic mashed potato. So yeah, just making a nice little sandwich, nice little one. So you want to just put that mashed potato in, and honestly, do not like really pack it up. Don't put a lot, because when you bake it, you're gonna see it's just going to just run out. All that goodness, some of it is going to run out on the side. So maybe put a little less than what I put. I love my belly. Yes, I'm a little foodie, so I really packed it up, right? But yeah, so that is it. I'm adding a little more because of course I'm really greedy. So yeah, vibes, all that creamy garlic mashed potato, and then I'm gonna go in now and put the other piece of the salmon on the top. So make sure that you line it up properly, right? So you see how the right side of the salmon, the skin right there is really thick. So I line up the thick part with a skinny part, and a skinny part with a thick part, right? Just to bring balance to it. So now I'm going in with some parsley. You don't have to worry about it. If you don't have it, then leave it alone, right? Just season your salmon nicely and cut and go through. So now we're going to add some butter, because of course we want the top to be a bit crispy and just to be nice and moist, crispy and nice, right? So yeah, add some butter. You don't have to add that much, man. And here it is. So remember, your oven is already preheated, and now we are gonna put it in there for about 19 to 20 minutes. About 20 minutes. No, 20 minutes only because it's a sandwich, right? So instead, if the potato wasn't between it, you would only put put the salmon in the oven for 12 minutes or so. So here it is, all done, bubbling away, looking so good. You see it running out on the edge. The potato is coming out on the sides. Yes, yes, yes. But look at it. Looks so beautiful. And here we have it, vibes fam. Here we have it. And of course, I'm gonna dig into it and show you. So I already dig off the side of the potato and I was eating it. But yeah, I'm going to dig into the salmon and show you. So if you want your salmon, because there's people that I know that like their salmon on the raw side, so you would maybe put it in there for, I don't know, 12 minutes, 10 minutes, I don't know, but this was perfect for me. But yeah, Vibe Sam, it is so beautiful. A nice salmon, creamy garlic mashed potato sandwich, beautiful. But thank you so much for watching. Please go ahead and click that thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it. And comment, say hi, or let me know what you think about this recipe. But thank you so much for watching, and jump over on Instagram and Facebook and follow me. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a beautiful day.